So yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Waitara February the 14th, Valentine's Day. We're off, just going for a walk down the beach. Probably the clearest skies we've had for many days. Very clear, very hot. My chest will continue to be uploading sunrise, sunset and night lapse videos on the clear nights. The night lapse videos have some very interesting content. Some of them are really slowed down, and put them up on the widescreen and check them out. Darken up the room so you can see them the best, and then yeah, that's a bit of an update from myself. And this is a wonderfully blessed spot that God's given us to live in. By the old toolbox here, the Waitara beach. I believe it's here in the hills, I think. So people should have in heaven, of course. Stunning, water is beautiful, so warm. So yeah, that's the start of our beach. It's been blessed, have a wonderful year, and check out the rest of my videos throughout the year.